Welcome to another smart helmet accessory video from the Helmet Shop. My name is Matt, and today we will be featuring the CWR-1 replacement shield for the X14, the RF1200, and the RFSR helmet. In this video, I'll show you how to make sure you are ordering the correct replacement shield for your helmet, show you the variety of colors and tints available, and we'll demonstrate how to properly remove and replace the shield on your helmet model. To ensure you are ordering the correct shield, first look at the back of your helmet. You should see your helmet brand and the model number RFSR, X14, or RF1200. Etched in the top left side of your shield, you should see the model number CWR-1. Our CWR-1 shields are made to fit and feel like the original manufacturer's parts and are available in clear and dark smoke, silver, gold, and blue mirror. Plus, we have recently added the transition photochromic lens that changes from clear to smoke according to the light. In order to remove the shield, first, open it up all the way. On each side is a base plate that holds the shield in place. Locate and pull down on the base plate lever, while pulling the shield out and away from the helmet. This will release the shield from the base plate. Follow the same procedure on the other side of the helmet. Practice a few times to get familiar with the mechanism. With the shield in the up position, align the top tab with the top slot on the base plate. Using your thumb, push inward on the shield and it will click into place. Do this on both sides of the helmet to finish installing your shield. Remember to periodically tighten your base plate screws. Only use warm, soapy water and a microfiber cleaning cloth when caring for your shields. Tinted shields are not for riding in low light or adverse weather conditions. Contact the Helmet Shop if you have questions concerning any of our products. Thank you and have a great day.